Jupiter is huge. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has many moons. One of them is Io. Io is special. It's very close to Jupiter. Io is covered in volcanoes, hundreds of them. They erupt all the time. This makes Io the most volcanically active place we know of. Because of all the volcanoes, Io is very hot. It's also covered in lava flows and lakes. Not exactly a place for a swim, right? But what if we could swim on Io? What would it be like? Let's imagine the incredible adventure. Io's volcanoes are amazing. They shoot plumes of sulfur high into space. Imagine seeing that. The lava flows create strange and beautiful landscapes. There are mountains and valleys, all shaped by fire. The colors on Io are incredible too. Yellows, oranges, reds. It's a painter's dream. It's hard to imagine anything living on Io. It's too hot and harsh, but maybe, just maybe, there's life deep underground. So could we swim on Io? It's not easy. First, there's the gravity. Io's gravity is much weaker than Earth's. Imagine jumping in a pool on Io. You'd float really high. You'd have to be careful not to fly away. Then there's the heat. Io is incredibly hot. The lava is thousands of degrees. And don't forget the poisonous gases. Io's atmosphere is full of sulfur dioxide, not something you want to breathe. It seems impossible, right? But humans are clever. Maybe one day we'll find a way. Swimming on Io wouldn't be like swimming on Earth. The low gravity would make everything feel different. Imagine doing a cannonball. You'd go much higher and farther. It would be like flying through slow motion. Even floating would be strange. You'd have to be careful not to drift away. Imagine getting lost in space because you fell asleep floating. It would be a fun challenge to learn how to swim in such low gravity. Maybe we'd invent new swimming styles. Section 5. Feeling the heat extreme temperatures. The heat on Io is a serious problem. We can't change that, but maybe we can work around it. Special suits could protect us from the extreme temperatures. Think of firefighters entering a burning building. These suits would need to be very tough. They would also need to keep us cool inside. That's a big challenge for our engineers. Maybe we could even build underwater bases. These bases could be shielded from the heat and radiation. It sounds like science fiction, but remember, anything is possible with science. Section 6. Suits up. Future tech for Io's waters. To swim on Io, we'd need amazing technology. Our suits would have to be super strong. They would protect us from heat, pressure, and even radiation. Imagine a suit that could withstand the heat of lava. It would need special materials and a powerful cooling system. We'd also need special breathing apparatus. The atmosphere on Io is toxic to humans. Our suits would filter the air and provide us with oxygen. And what about the low gravity? Maybe we'd wear special gear to make us heavier. That way we wouldn't float away. Section 7. What lies beneath? Mysteries of Io's oceans. Scientists believe Io might have oceans, but these oceans are not like Earth's. They are probably made of molten rock or even liquid sulfur. Imagine swimming in a sea of lava. It sounds crazy, but it could be real on Io. These oceans could hold clues to how Io formed. They might even have strange forms of life that we've never seen before. Exploring these oceans would be a huge challenge, but it would also be an incredible adventure. Section 8. The thrill of discovery. Why Io matters. Why do we dream of swimming on Io? Because it's there. Because humans are explorers. We want to see new worlds and discover new things. Io is a mysterious and dangerous place, but it's also beautiful and fascinating. By studying Io, we can learn more about our own planet. We can learn how volcanoes work and how planets form. Who knows what we might find on Io? The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Io awaits. Our future in the stars. One day, maybe humans will swim on Io. We will explore its volcanoes and its oceans. We will learn its secrets. It might seem impossible now, but so did flying to the moon 100 years ago. The future of space exploration is full of possibilities, and Io is just one of the many amazing places waiting for us. So let's keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep reaching for the stars.